Hey guys, it's Blaze. I just got this shirt from Hot Topic and it has a plunging neckline, as you can see, and it has a tombstone that says, "K, thanks." So a few weeks ago, I got a message on Instagram from a longtime subscriber of mine, TEANDRA Sweetie, saying, "Go check your email." I was like, oh crap, what did I do? And I open it and it's an email from E.L.F Cosmetics saying that TEANDRA Sweetie has sent you a gift card. And I was like, what? Not only did she send me a gift card, but she sent me this gift card. And I was just like, Mayor. I was like not manic, but I was hyper that day. So as soon as I saw that, I went on to E.L.F and I ordered some things, not a whole ton, but some things, and I wanted to unbox it with you. And it took so long to get here. First they were like, it's gonna arrive by this day. I was like, okay. And they were like, just kidding, it's gonna arrive 2 days later. I'm like, okay. And they were like, just kidding, it's gonna arrive tomorrow. And it got stuck in Kansas. And I feel bad for it because I've been stuck in Kansas. So we're currently in Kansas. Look at that beautiful view. I'm sorry if I have any viewers from Kansas. I'm sure Kansas that's not on just roads is really, really beautiful. I wouldn't know. We were just kind of going through for like literally 13 hours. It was terrible. Anyway, it took a lot of willpower to not open this package because you guys know I have zero patience. So let's finally unbox and do a haul and see what I got. If you'd like, you can go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now. And become a Blazer and a part of the Blaze Nation. How do you open this box?
Holy crap. How do you, okay. There we go. So we are opening the box. I kind of forgot some of the things that I ordered. I know I ordered at least one thing for my mother. Holy, this is a lot of cardboard. Look at this. So,
hi. So this is what I ordered. A lot of the stuff that I ordered, like literally more than half of it, was on insane sales because I think they were having like some kind of semi-annual sale. And I literally got some of these things for 80 cents. 80 cents. So I will try to put in this video the ones that I did get on sale, how much I got them on sale for. But let's just go into it and grab the first two things that I see, which are two E.L.F Luscious Liquid Lipsticks. I got one in Pink Lemonade and Baby Lips. So let's try this out. We got Pink Lemonade. These were, I think, 80 cents a piece. Either that or $1 or something. I gotta recheck everything. You guys gotta give me a minute because I'm not good at stuff. So this is what they look like. I have some of their lip glosses that are kind of similar to this, except they have a brush applicator. And I see here this has a sponge applicator. So you do twist it up. This one's in Pink Lemonade. So let's swatch it.
Two hours later.
And we've got product. So this is a liquid lipstick, so it's not going to be matte. It's just a liquid lipstick. It kind of is coming off like glossy, like a pigmented gloss, which I don't mind. So that is Pink Lemonade right there. It is a really, I don't know why it's called Pink Lemonade. It's like a nice dark berry kind of color. I like that. And this one is in Baby Lips. So this is what Baby Lips looks like. I already wound it up so you guys didn't have to go through that. It is, ooh, it is like a nice peachy nude. If you can see that, I like that. I'm excited to wear that. So I got 2 of those. Again, they were on sale for like really good prices. All of these were really good prices, even the ones that weren't on sale. And I think they said they were gonna send me a free gift because I spent over a certain amount of money, I think $25. Everything here was $30. So that's mad cool. I think I picked up like 11 items. So, I love E.L.F. When I started getting hardcore into makeup, E.L.F. was like one of the only brands I used. So let's go ahead with this E.L.F. Aqua Beauty Radiant Gel Lip Tint Dewy Berry. This must be one of the free gifts because I did not do this. I don't believe I got this. Ooh, it is really pretty. What? It's a lip tint. So this is what it looks like. This must be one of the free gifts because I definitely did not purchase this, but it looks cool and I like lip tints. So that's the shade right there. Nice. I have a couple of their Aqua, what is it called? Aqua Beauty line cosmetics, but I love the color of the Aqua Beauty. It's an aqua color. I'm smart. Let's pick up the next thing. The next thing I picked up, I have used this. I've gone through like 8 of these because I love these. I have very acne prone skin. If you guys have been with me, you know that. And my favorite acne fighting on spot treatment is the E.L.F. Acne Fighting Spot Gel with Aloe in clear. I hate using, and I've been having to use it lately, the like white creams that you put on like spots and it dries up because it looks gross. This just dries clear. You can't even tell you're even wearing it, and it works really good. This is only $2. Sometimes you can find it at Dollar Tree for $1, and if you do, definitely pick these up if you get acne. These are terrific. I don't need to open this because it's just a clear acne fighting gel, and I love it. So I had to purchase that. Next thing I am picking up is an E.L.F. lipstick in Classy. Yes, I picked this up. I like E.L.F. lipsticks. I'm not huge on like dry down matte. Sometimes I am, but most of the time I like to have some kind of glossy or moisturizing finish, and E.L.F. tends to do that. I mean, they do have matte lipsticks, but this is not one of them. This is just their regular lipsticks. So this is what that looks like right here. It did not look like this on the website, but I think I might give this to my mother. Oh wait, no, she's not gonna like this. This is too pink. But that is a cute, like Barbie pink color. Classy, classic Barbie pink. So yeah, I'll definitely use this. I like wearing pink lipsticks sometimes. We have another Aqua Beauty product that I definitely did not pick up. This is the Aqua Infused Blush and Bronzer. Bronze Pink Beige. Ooh. Ow, my freaking nail. Holy shit. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's sleek and shiny black, and the E.L.F. is written, sorry, it's gonna blind you, in the aqua color. That is so cool. Comes with a mirror and a little protector. This is like, that blush is straight up red. Look at that. Well, it looks a little more pinky on camera, but in real life, it's like red. Ooh, very soft though. Okay. It feels very velour, the blush. The bronzer kind of feels a little velour too. So those are the colors right there, the blush and the bronzer. Very pigmented. So that's the blush and the bronzer that comes in this. I'm definitely gonna give this a shot, but I'm gonna have to go a little light hand because those are very pigmented, and I don't want to recreate my first time I ever wore makeup. If you guys want that video, let me know down in the comments, because I've been thinking of doing a recreating the first time I ever wore makeup look. Funny thing is, coincidentally, I did that makeup look to impress a boy who I had the biggest crush on freshman year of high school. and he happened to reach out to me last night for the first time in almost 4 years of not talking to me, saying he loves my videos. So if you are watching, comment down below or message me later to prove to me that you actually watch my videos, because I personally don't believe you. I do think it was really, really cool of E.L.F to include like free stuff when you ordered this, because this is something else I did not order, and I had this back when I first started practicing hardcore into makeup. This is one of their E.L.F Flawless Matte Eyeshadows in Matte for Plum. So it comes with 4 shades like so. I'm going to either send this in a birthday package to a friend whose birthday is going to be coming up soon, or I'm going to be putting this in a future giveaway, so I'm not going to open this. But yeah, their little quad palettes are fantastic, especially if you're a beginner, and they're only $2 at Target, so definitely pick those up. Next thing I am picking up, I've actually picked this up twice before. It isn't the best, it isn't the worst, but it was, I think, 40 cents. So I was like, I had to pick this up. It's just their eyeliner pen in black, their felt tip black eyeliner pen. I guess I'll open it and swatch it. Like I said, it's not the best one I've ever used. It's definitely not the worst one I've ever used. I tried some really horrible ones. Felt tip liquid liners are my favorite. So definitely oh, their brushes have gotten much softer since I last used this. Okay, so I'm excited to use this again because they have improved on that. Next thing I'm picking up, I did pick this up because I love my lip gloss. You guys know that. This is the E.L.F Prismatic Lip Gloss in the shade Rose Quartz. And that is what this looks like. I like the packaging, very cool looking. What the hell, though? Is this like an ornament you hang on your tree? Do you see that? How do you... Is that just... Is this in packaging? This is crazy. Is this a jigsaw trap? Oh my... Oh, it says peel. I graduated. So this is just going to be a glittery, shimmery, kind of translucent gloss, which is what I wanted because I like putting that over top. Liquid matte lippies. So, ooh, very, very pretty. It's very, very glittery. Very, very, it's got like nice gold and pink flecks of glitter. That's exactly what I was looking for, so I'm excited about that. The next thing I got is this moisturizing Pink Minx lipstick. So I guess I got it in Pink Minx. I honestly don't remember most of what I ordered. I know what I didn't order. Hi. I love their moisturizing lipsticks. They're really, really nice. So this is Pink Minx right here. Again, another pink lipstick. A lot of the colors that I wanted were sold out, so that sucked. But this is nice. This is like a coral pink, kind of. It's nice for the spring and summertime. Ugh, can't wait till fall. Then we got another moisturizing lipstick in the shade Cheeky. I remember picking this one out. Hi. So we got Cheeky right here, which is kind of like a chestnut pinky nude color. Okay, it doesn't have too much pigment to it, but it is a moisturizing lipstick. But it's buildable. It's nice. That's a really nice nude. I'm actually going to use this a lot. Ooh, it smells nice too. Then I picked up just a black eyeliner. It's a retractable eyeliner. I can always use more of these, and I don't have one right now that I'm like really happy with, so I wanted to give this one a go. And it had some good reviews. So it's just a retractable black eyeliner. Let's see how the pigment is. Ooh, that's nice, and it's nice and creamy. It's right there. So I definitely am going to try that out. Okay, I am so excited for this. This is probably my most excited lippy that I got. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick in Smoky Taupe. I'm really, really excited. It's like in this frosted, almost feeling glass, but it's like a frosted plastic. It's really, really nice and thick. comes with a lot more product than I thought. Ooh, and it's got one of those teardrop doe foot applicators that I love so much. Oh yes, this is my kind of color. It is like a gray taupe. You guys know I love these kinds of colors. Oh, I'm gonna be using this a lot. So this is probably my most excited product yet. The last two things I picked up because there is so much hype about it from huge beauty influencers like Jeffree Star and Nikki Tutorials to smaller influencers who are just like, it's the best thing ever. But the first thing I picked up because I literally had to scrape the bottom of my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer because it's gone. And I heard that this concealer was really, really good. So this is the E.L.F 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I got it in the shade. It's supposed to be full coverage matte. Does it say the shade that I got on here? I know I got the lightest shade. Oh, Fair Rose. So this is supposed to be the lightest shade for people with pink undertones. I don't know if I have pink undertones. I know I don't have yellow undertones. I think I more have like neutral undertones, but they didn't have that. So, ooh, nice big fat bottle. So, ooh, and a nice big fat doe foot, which I really, really like. This looks like it's gonna be nice on me. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be nice on me. So I'm really excited to play with this. I think this was only $5. So if so, this is gonna be my new go-to. And the last thing was the thing that was so hyped about from everybody, and I was so surprised that they had it in stock because it's like constantly out of stock because everybody's buying it. So it's the E.L.F Poreless Putty Primer in Universal Sheer. Everybody says that this is like the best thing, and it's supposed to be a dupe for the wow, I'm having a brain fart. Love that. Tatcha primer, which is something you guys know I can't afford. So it comes in a little jar like this, and it's supposed to be like very moisturizing, even though I like matte, but also to help with pores, and everybody just says that this is a great primer. Feels very, very nice and silky, and it's sheer, so you're not gonna see anything. Has no scent, which I like, so I'm definitely going to give this a try the next time I put on my makeup. And I'm excited to see how this performs because I can always use a new primer. Yeah, it says smooth the skin and preps with, I don't know how to pronounce that word. It's moisturizing, grip makeup all day wear, velvety texture glides over the skin, smoothing all imperfections and for poreless effect. My fudging eye. I'm just realizing this tombstone says K bye, not K thanks. That is everything that I picked up in this E.L.F haul. Thank you so much to TEANDRA for allowing this to happen, and I wouldn't have been able to do this without her, so thank you so much. This was beyond sweet of you. I know we talk personally, but blessed be, I love you so much, and this was just unbelievably sweet, and thank you again so much, really. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up to let me know, and again, don't forget to go down below, hit the subscribe. It's been a day, you guys, and I always use that kind of excuse. Oh, I need sleep. Oh, I'm insane. Oh, my blood sugar. Oh, I'm BLAIZE. Oh, I'm dead inside. True. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.